all comes to SEO, search engine optimization. Now, if you look at on the screen, there I'm going to be typing two different things. So there's Rank Math and there's Yoast. Now, if I'm pronouncing Yoast right, then Yoast. So Rank Math was built in 2018, whereas Yoast was built way earlier than that. So Yoast is much older. Yoast takes up a lot more RAM, a lot more space on your system, whereas Rank Math takes less. On the other hand, Yoast is claimed to be better, but they both actually are doing quite well, because Rank Math are being much popular. Rank Math is getting a lot more popular. Now, it doesn't mean that it's more popular than Yoast, but on the other hand, its popularity is increasing tremendously. So imagine from 2018 and for a few years before this present year, imagine that Rank Math is getting very popular. That means it's actually doing quite well. If I look at the differences between Rank Math and Yoast, I'm going to go straight down around here. Yoast, on the other hand, is doing quite well now. Now, anytime I have Rank Math built into a theme, I uninstall it and I go ahead with Yoast. And I use premium versions only. In this video, I'm going to show you how to also get a premium version for free. Now, this is for educational purposes only. I can only show you how to get it. I'm not advising you to get it. It's your choice, and I am not liable, and you will be. So Yoast, on the other hand, with Rank Math, you see Rank Math right here. Search engine, you have your schema, you have XML, sitemaps. All these things could be generated. You can also have your keyword analytics, breadcrumbs. Now, breadcrumbs is a little thing you see showing you the steps that you actually took to get to a page. That's what you see on your website. Now, the premium features are quite well also. You have AdSense earning history. You can see how much you earned with AdSense. And if you've been following this channel, you realize that extrador.com is the website that I'm working on right now, and all my videos will be centered around extrador.com. Now, I build sites for customers. I build quite very good looking sites for my customers, and I will not be showing you anything related to my customer site because I want them to have the best security as possible. I was hacked recently for my YouTube channel. I recovered it because of Google, and I'll be creating a video on how to recover your YouTube channel, your Google channel, your Google account if you're hacked. And it's a little bit much harder, a very difficult process, but on the other hand, there's a possibility of you actually recovering it. Now, Yoast, on the other hand, Yoast right now is quite well. I'm gonna go directly to Math. So I'm gonna move from Yoast because my server here, I have 20 gigs of storage, but then again, it takes a lot from my users to actually have the patience to wait to look at the page load because of Yoast actually crawling the page. So I have Rank Math null. Now, when you're looking for a free plugin that has premium features without you paying for it, you either need to look for the cracked version or the null version. So a lot of people don't know that term null. That's generally the term you'll use to look for a plugin, a theme. You can for anything. Whenever it comes to web-based or applications, you can look for a null version. If you want to look for application, let's say like a game for your phone or so on, you can look for the cracked version or OBB plus data and so on. But keeping it WordPress wise, if you're looking for a plugin, you type in the word null at the end of it. And remember, we're looking for free. Therefore, you can get a GPL Astra. From GPL Astra, you can get it. You can try it out for here. Hopefully, it's free. Now, GPL means Global Public License. Let's see if we can actually get it. Okay, great. You can get from Mediafire. Whenever I see Mediafire, I'm really happy because I know Mediafire does not ask for any payments. Whenever I see Mega, I'm also very happy. I know it comes to the same exact thing. This here is my plugin here, and I'm going to install my plugin on my site. Now I just realized it's a ref file right here, so therefore it means I need to extract this. So that's my fault on my end, because you should never have a plugin with a array extension or raw extension. It should not be array R, it should be zip. Therefore, now after I extracted it, I can upload a plugin from my downloads. Mathrank, this one. Now I've already installed this one. I'm going to now install this one. Generally this one is just the basic version, this is the premium. Now it has been activated. I have a plugin that actually gave me a little warning on my site right here. I want to remove it. It's called WordPress. Let me see if I can get it. There it is. Now with Mathrank, I can now monitor every single thing. I can watch out for 404s, and I'm going to turn that on. So if any visitor actually visits the site or visits a page of the blog and they have issues with accessing that page, that means that page may no longer is available. It will request the server to send a 404 page to them. So I'm going to record all 404s that visitors experience. I'm going to have installed. It's already activated right here. I'm not going to be using WordPress. I'm not going to use WordPress either. I'm going to also SEO my images, so therefore they will be crawled and displayed on Google Images and so on. So therefore anybody click on my images, it's like a backlink and gain traffic to my site. There's local SEO that's going to be enabled. New sitemap, I want that enabled because there are so many new blogs automatically coming in, and as a result all these blogs need to be added to my sitemap. Redirections for 301s will also be redirected to 302. Schema is on already, and so on. I'm not using WooCommerce right now. I'm not saying anything. I don't have any videos, but I sometimes might have videos from YouTube I framed into blogs, since my blogs are automated. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be showing you I upload a video on how to automate a blog and automatically post your blog to social medias. So that's it for now. Mathrank, you have access to SEO premium version Mathrank, and as a result it's going to be much easier. So I'm going to manually configure this on my own later, but I'm just showing you that Mathrank is much better for lighter weight websites to have loading time much faster, and also it's just as good as Yoast, whereas Yoast has a bit much more features, but Mathrank is much more simpler and so on. Everything is automated. Mathrank is now gaining much more popularity, and Yoast is notorious, it's very great, but I'm going to keep using Mathrank just for it being lightweight. It does exactly what Yoast does, and it's going to help my SEO increase, my traffic increase, and so on. So if you want higher traffic, you need SEO plugin and need to optimize your content on your site. If you don't have time to do this, use Yoast or use Math.